Louis Braille was only 12 years old, and he was blind. But he made up his mind somehow he was going to invent an easy way for all blind people to read and write. It took Louis 3 years to work out his alphabet of raised dots. With this alphabet, blind people could read as fast as other people. Today, almost all books for the blind are printed in the alphabet called Braille. Blind people can read Braille with their fingertips. This book was written by Margaret Davidson, and it's about Louis Braille, and he was the boy who invented the Braille system. But today, I will not talk to you about the Braille system because it's going to take me the whole night. I'm going to talk to you about the Brailler, which is the machine that they use to write Braille with. This machine was invented by David Abraham in around 1946, and it's actually a bunch of inventions together, and he put them together, and he ended up doing this. And this is the one that they have been using for a long time now. All of this information can be found in Perkins for schoolfortheblinds.org. That's what it is. And when he invented this machine, that's what they use right now. But since then, since we have many computer programs and systems, you can also get something called a Braille note. But for that, you need actually electricity and batteries. So this is just like the typewriter, and I'm going to show you how to use it today. For that, we need a paper, and if you can touch that, please, you can see that it's a little bit heavier than just regular paper. And the reason why is because this machine is a little bit heavy too, and I'm going to give it to you so you can try it too. Is it heavy?
No.
Not too heavy, okay. And that's why it actually needs paper a little bit heavier than normal. And I'm going to go ahead and feed it in. And the first thing you have to do is turn these two knobs for you to feed it just like the regular typewriter. And as soon as you do that, you have to press this button right here. Or no, not that one. Close it again and feed it in. Just like the regular typewriter, you usually see paper right here, but in this case, it's all rolled up in one big piece that it's in there. And you press this from here, so that way the machine recognizes that there's paper in there. And you start typing. And when you type, you can hear that it's making a little bit of a sound. And this is moving. And when it's already finished, you're going to hear this sound. Just like the typewriter. And like the computer automatically goes to the next line, you can't do that. You have to press another button. So bring it back. And that's how you start typing your next sentence. And this button right here, as you're going to see, it's going to be, if you make a mistake, you're going to bring it back. Got it? And when you finish, the only thing you have to do is unroll it again, but it's going to be making a little bit more sound. And that's it. That's how you use the Braille machine. Any questions?
Yes. Is the machine available for anyone to buy it, like regular household?
Yeah. Anybody who wants to buy it can buy it.
Is it expensive?
Yes, it's actually around $650 to $700.
Do you use like all your fingers to type?
No, you only use 6 fingers, and the other ones you're going to use the same fingers, but not your whole hand.
Is there any other way that you can erase any mistakes that you make when writing?
Yeah, this little thing right here, since the dots are erased, you just press them down, and you just erase it in. That's it. Anybody else?
Let's say, for example, if a blind person needs help to buy it, does the government?
Yes, the government gives it to you, usually for free. If not, they usually help you out. Thank you.
Thank you.